Hi guys, welcome to Bees Bites. In today's video, we're going to make masala sweet potato chips or fries depending on where you're from, along with 3 different dips. The first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're leaving the skin on the sweet potatoes today, so scrub it well to get all the dirt off. You can peel the skin off as well if you want to. Pat the sweet potatoes dry and cut them into 1-inch wide strips. Try and get them more or less the same size so they cook evenly. Coat the sweet potatoes in oil about 3 tablespoons. Then we'll add 3 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of mango powder or amchur, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder and salt to taste. Mix well and coat the sweet potatoes evenly with the spices. Spread them out on a tray, making sure to leave enough space between the sweet potatoes. Use 2 trays if you have to. Pop them in the oven and leave them in for about 30 minutes, taking them out halfway to turn the sweet potatoes over. My oven is pretty weak, so I like to set it to grill for the last 5 minutes to really crisp up the sweet potatoes. You can decide if you need this step depending on your oven. This is what the sweet potatoes should look like after. The next thing we're going to make is our no tahini hummus. It's going to be creamy, nutty, and delicious. First, on very low heat, toast a 1/4 cup of sesame seeds till it's very lightly colored. Be careful with this step and keep stirring so it doesn't burn. When it's ready, add it to your blender along with a 1/4 cup of any mildly flavored vegetable oil. I'm using canola oil. And then set it to blend. This essentially becomes our homemade tahini. Next, we're going to add a can of drained chickpeas, 2 garlic cloves, juice from a 1/4 of a lemon, and salt to taste. And then set it to blend again. Halfway through, add some water to get it to the desired consistency. I added about a 1/4 cup of water. Check that you're happy with the seasoning and consistency, and that's it, you're ready to serve. Use the back of your spoon to create a little swirl, dress it with some good quality olive oil, and I'm also adding a sprinkling of chili powder, cumin, and sesame seeds to make it look nice and pretty. The next dip we're making is one of my favorites, guacamole. Guacamole is really easy to make and can be used in so many ways. The key ingredient, of course, is the avocado. The trick to knowing if your avocado is ready to be used is first check that the stem comes off easily, and then if it's a nice bright green underneath, you know your avocado is good to go. Cut along the middle of the avocado, going all the way around. Twist it open and using a knife and a firm hand, give the seed a whack and twist to get it out. Next, we're going to make slits in the avocado lengthwise and horizontally, and using a spoon, we'll scoop the avocado cubes out into a bowl. Next, we'll finely chop 1 tomato using a serrated knife. I find serrated knives cut through the tomato skin a lot easier. And then we'll also chop up half a red onion as well. We'll give it a good mix now, using the back of your spoon to mash up the avocado chunks as you go. How much you mash it up is up to you, whether you like it chunkier or more mashed. I prefer it somewhere in between. Next, we'll finely chop a 1/4 cup of coriander leaves and add that in along with the juice of half a lemon. Then add half a teaspoon of chili powder and salt to taste. Mix well, and you can see my guacamole is mostly mashed but with chunks of avocado still in there. We'll garnish with coriander leaves and a slice of lemon, and there you have it, easy and delicious guacamole. The last dip we're making is our cannellini or white bean dip. We'll need 1 can of drained cannellini beans, a generous glug of olive oil, about 4 tablespoons, 2 garlic cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme, a pinch of chili flakes, and salt to taste. And then we'll just let the NutriBullet blend it all together. Super easy. The end result should be a thick and creamy dip. We'll dress it with good quality olive oil and a pinch of chili flakes. And there you have it. That's my recipe for masala sweet potato chips and the 3 different dips. Unintentional rhyme there. These are great to make as a healthy snack or to serve at parties as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a like and subscribe for more videos next week. Bye!